Hello, everybody. JD here with your Rational Trader Market Analysis Daily. In today's video, we're going to take a little break from our mean reversion cash machine trades. Spent pretty much most of the day analyzing a handful of companies that are reporting earnings. And bottom line is, most of these companies are trading, their stocks, that is, are trading right around the mean, not really offering an opportunity in terms of the magnetism of reverting to the mean, combined with the fact that option premiums using the Friday expiration have declined substantially. So that limits our opportunities, specifically for how we are deploying option trading using the mean reversion cash machine methodology. So no trades there, but breaking news, Federal Reserve has a new governor. Looks like, according to Bloomberg, it's going to be Stephen Mirren, the architect of the Mar-a-Lago Accord. This is the nightmare scenario, in my humble opinion. The mainstream media, the MAGA media, are not looking at this at all. They just love Trump so much, they'll just let him do whatever. Great, fine, I get it. Um, that's what it is. However, the policies here, if you think tariffs are a good idea, if you think destroying the dollar is a good idea, if you think um, penalizing our allies in terms of their holding of our debt, basically, our treasury securities, well, then let's embrace Mr. Mirren because that's what this guy is all about. And if this is who the chairman is going to be after Powell, oh my goodness, um, it it could be a disaster for the markets. And markets, by the way, that are on tenterhooks with respect to valuations already at a peak, the economy entering a stagflation zone, and the long-term consequences of the tariff policy, not in terms of inflation, but in terms of a deflationary bomb, is about to go off. What you see happening, by the way, if you peruse earnings reports, pricing power, in other words, the ability to continue to raise prices, that's what's keeping corporate profits red hot. That's what's keeping the market red hot. So put it all together, and right now um, I'm short small cap stocks in the one account that I'm managing using the Money Fortress approach, the utilizing exchange traded funds to exploit arbitrage opportunities. So I'm just going to hold that. By the way, I had a short volatility ETF that I held for a little more than a month in that same account. And it looks like that's exactly what I'm going to be doing here with the RWM in the month of August. Right now, I'm down just about 1% in that position month to date. So it's not exactly working out, but I'm okay with that because there is a plunge coming. Perhaps this nomination of Stephen Mirren will do it. Um, People are sucking up to Trump, so they're not going to criticize this guy. So pick your sources carefully here and trust really um, an analysis of this selection that is fair, and truly balanced, and then come to your own conclusions. I know what my conclusions are. This guy's scary, so but I'll let you come to your own conclusions. That's all I have for today, folks. This is JD for the Rational Trader. Tomorrow is podcast day. Recording bright and early with my co-host Louis Navalier. So much to talk about, and I'm sure this Stephen Mirren appointment is going to be front and center for sure. But also, we're coming to the end of a very, very, very busy week for earnings in the midst of a market where seasonality is quite poor. But the market is pretty much right back to the market high. So we'll have plenty of things to talk about on the podcast. Make sure you check that out, therationaltraderdaily.com. And I'll be back with another video here on Monday, probably having some more mean reversion cash machine trades for you. Let's hope so. Like it when the market is the gift that keeps on giving. But as we saw today, sometimes the opportunities just aren't there, and I'm not going to force it. So no trades there for me today. Take care, everybody. This is JD, and I'll see you all next time.